Welcome to the channel. Today, let's dive into the cozy, magical world of vintage Christmas aesthetic. Christmas tree. Imagine warm, nostalgic vibes with classic ornaments, soft lighting, and decorations that bring the charm of holidays past into your home. Let's get started. First, your Christmas tree is the star of the show. Decorate it with vintage-style glass baubles, handmade garlands, and a tinsel touch for that old-school shimmer. Add a classic tree topper, like a shining star or an angel, to complete the look. Next, let's style your mantle. Use evergreen branches, pine cones, and rustic wreaths as the foundation. Add knitted stockings or heirloom trinkets for an authentic, personal touch. To tie it all together, swap modern lights for warm white string lights or candle-style bulbs to create a soft, nostalgic glow. Want to add a personal touch? Try these simple DIY crafts. Make rustic garlands with dried orange slices and cinnamon sticks, or hand-paint ornaments to match your theme. These small, handmade details add a unique and heartfelt charm to your decor. And let's not forget about gifts. Wrap them in craft paper, tied with twine and sprigs of greenery. It's simple, elegant, and perfectly vintage. What's your favorite way to embrace the vintage Christmas aesthetic? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more holiday inspiration. Let's make this Christmas truly magical.